Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will unboxing the Dimpl Fidget toy. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell. Let's do it. Now we get scissors, guys. Yes. And we cut.
Try pop it, guys.
Okay.
Is it cool?
Yeah. Okay. I can also pop that one.
Okay. How about you, baby? You can or not?
Yeah. Can I turn around?
Wait. Is it good?
Yeah. Yeah. The most attention toy.
Wow.
This is called Simple Dimpl Attention Toy.
Okay.
Yay!
What snack you have?
I know what this is.
What is that?
A rabbit cute.
Yeah, open the rabbit cute. It's a scissor.
Thank you.
Welcome. Come on, let's open. Okay, mommy open for you. Yes.
Wow! Not yet.
You can open? Gitu mangit kan? Okay, that's it. You can do it.
Wow! So cool.
Try, test to play.
Okay. Okay, let me see. Challenge.
You cannot, baby. Like this.
My glove broken.
It's not broken. Wait.
Okay, then try. Challenge.
You can, baby. You sure? Wow.
Let me write all of this first. Okay, this one. Okay. It's 3, 2, 1, go!
Go. Come on, baby. Let's do it. You can.
I can't.
You can. How about you, Abang?
This is not good. But anyway. Winner! Wow, it's so cool, guys. This toy is so fun. Yay! Hey, I'm a winner! Winner! I am a winner!
Are you a winner?
We also have the homemade guys. I play that. And you,
Oh. It's cool toy?
your cool toy. I
Mm-hmm.
love it.
You love it. How about you, Abang? You love it too?
Yep.
What your favorite? Simple Dimpl or Rabbit Block?
All of them.
All of them. Wow.
I like it. It's the same color. So hard. Same color, mommy.
Okay.
Oh, let's do the red one.
Okay, is it fun?
Uh,
Okay, that's it.
Can we end this video?
Mm-hmm.
Wow! Wow! The Simple Dimpl and the Rabbit Cute. It is so cool, guys. Bye-bye! Don't forget to like,